Welcome back to Bike Tricka, the channel where we bring you the latest and hottest updates from the motorcycle world. Today, we're talking about a machine that's turning heads everywhere, the all-new 2026 Honda CB125 Hornet. A fresh design language. Honda has given the CB125 Hornet a bold, aggressive design inspired by its bigger siblings. With sharp lines, a muscular fuel tank, and a sleek LED headlamp, the bike perfectly blends sportiness with everyday practicality. Engine and performance. At the heart of this beast lies a refined 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled engine. Honda promises excellent fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. Smooth power delivery, quick acceleration, and a refined riding experience make it ideal for both city commutes and weekend fun rides. Features and technology. The 2026 Hornet is packed with modern features, a fully digital instrument cluster, LED lighting all around, advanced ABS braking system, and smartphone connectivity for navigation and alerts. It's designed to give young riders a premium biking experience at an affordable cost. Comfort and ride quality. Honda has focused on ergonomics too. With a comfortable seat, upright riding position, and lightweight frame, the CB125 Hornet is built for long hours of easy, confident riding. Final thoughts. The new Honda CB125 Hornet is not just another 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle, it's a stylish, tech-loaded, and performance-oriented bike that brings Honda's legacy to a younger generation. This was the quick overview of the 2026 Honda CB125 Hornet. Stay tuned to Bike Tricka and subscribe for more exciting updates from the world of two wheels.